everybody, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Kelsey. As you guys saw, I just went to the gym. I put my full workout in this video, which I usually don't put my workouts in here because I post pretty much all of my workouts on Instagram, but I decided to film that for you guys today. I did also just want to go over the hip thrust that I did because I always get a lot of questions on my hip thrust setup. So I prefer to use the decline bench because it's just more comfortable for me. It's a lower bench setting than the actual benches. The actual benches are way too high for me. So when I'm like hip thrusting, my upper body tends to like rock a lot, and you want to keep your upper body in place with your head tucked under, as you can see in the video. And for my body, it just doesn't work with the actual benches because they're too high, and then I feel it more in like my quads than my glutes. So it just gives me a better range of motion with the decline bench, and then you can adjust it to however you want, whatever works for you, because it does go up even more. So if you are a little bit taller, then you can move it up. So that's just what I prefer to do. I love doing it on the decline bench. Greatest discovery that I ever had. And I'm wearing my comfy set from Petula, and it's just so freaking cozy. It's got the little ties on the bottom of the joggers. It's like the softest material ever. It's the plush collection, which makes sense with this material, but mine had the string where you could like tie this up, but in the wash it fell out. So I recommend if you put it in the wash, tie the string so that they don't come out in the wash. But I absolutely love this set. It is so freaking comfortable. We really don't have that much to do today, which is amazing. I mean, I've had off all week and it's New Year's Day. It is the 1st of 2021, so started off good with a workout. We honestly did not even stay up. We went to bed at like 9:30 and then just not for us. We go to bed way too early for staying up until midnight. But we started off good with a workout. My workout plans also launched today. So I have my subscription workout plan that launched today, and then also my home workout plan, which is just with dumbbells and a booty band. So all of that launched. I will put links to that in the description box in case you guys want to check those out and join me in some workouts. So yeah, we have some stuff to do today for the wedding. So we have to go through vows and readings for our officiant. We have to fill out like a questionnaire kind of form so that he can like get to know us and all that good stuff. So we definitely have to go through that, which is probably gonna take a while because obviously it's like a big decision, like picking your vows and like readings and stuff. So we have to do that today, go through all of those. We aren't writing our own vows, but he has like a ton of options of like pre-written vows that we can go through, so we can kind of like customize it more to like what we want. But neither of us wanted to write our own vows because we're just like not good at that. So yeah, I am going to make breakfast now because I am really hungry. I guess it's like brunch. It's 12, not breakfast. I didn't realize how long we were at the gym for. So I'm gonna make some lunch for us, kind of brunch, because I'm feeling like eggs. And then we will get a move on with the rest of the day. I just made some avocado toast with eggs. So I just have an egg on the side, 1 slice of Dave's Killer bread, avocado, and another whole egg on top. I like to pop it a little bit so that when you eat it, it's not as messy. And then I just also made some for Kyle. I just went and got some coffee. So I've been doing the venti Americano iced with light ice, almond milk, and 3 pumps of caramel. So this has been my drink of choice. It's really good. It's strong, so if you like coffee taste, then I would recommend it. If not, I would do like iced coffee instead of the Americano, because the Americano is espresso shots. So that's what's going on. I am going to edit a YouTube video. I have 2 videos to edit right now, so I'm going to upload that footage and edit that so that I can get one of them posted today and then schedule the other one to post too. It's the next day. Yesterday, I literally was just editing YouTube videos and working on my workout programs and like working with my clients. Yesterday was the launch of my program, so I was making sure that like everyone that signed up was like all set and good with their app and everything like that. So I was just on my computer literally all day. We're gonna go to the gym soon. I prefer to go like super early. I already have like our pre-workout and stuff out, but I like to have like a cup of coffee. So I think I'm gonna start some meal prep right now because I need to make some food for the week and to bring to work. So I have green beans I'm gonna make and some like broccolini I'm gonna make, and then I have chicken and ground turkey. So I'm gonna make that stuff now. And then I think I'm gonna make a pasta dish, but I need to go to the grocery store to do that. So I might do that later and go to the grocery store because I'm gonna make my own pasta sauce. So I need some ingredients for that. I'm gonna start some meal prep. I'll show you guys what I end up making and how I make the stuff. I'm just gonna focus on like seasonings since I am cutting for the wedding. So I don't wanna like go overboard with my meals. I want to keep everything like really simple. All right, this is what we have so far. So I have the green beans with olive oil, salt, pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. And then I have the same seasonings on the broccolini. And then over here, I have the ground turkey. It's 93 lean. And then I just am using this fajita seasoning. I got this one off of Amazon. So I am going to cook this. The ground turkey is almost done. I also decided to start some rice for my carb for the week. So I just do 1 cup of jasmine rice, and then for every 1 cup of rice, you do 2 cups of water. So I did 4 cups of rice, 8 cups of water, and then you just bring that to a boil. So I have it on high, and then once it starts boiling, then you just kind of like keep stirring it and watching it. And then you'll bring it down to a simmer once the rice starts to absorb the water. It obviously does take more time than if you just did the microwave bags rice, but this is way cheaper. I just get jasmine rice in bulk and then just put it in this container. I get these containers from Target. So I just refill this every once in a while with like a big bag of rice that you can get from any grocery store, and it is way cheaper. I do have the microwave bags just in case I'm running short on time or I don't have time to meal prep that week. All done meal prepping. So I have 2 meals prepped right here for when I go into the office. So I just have the ground turkey, rice, and green beans. I have the green beans in here. When they were all cooked, I just put some Parmesan cheese on top and then stuck them back in the oven for a couple minutes for that to melt. And then we have the ground turkey, we have the broccolini, and then the rest of the rice. So I think that's all I'm gonna do for right now. I'm gonna do the chicken later. And then I also took out these turkey meatballs because I'm gonna make my own pasta sauce and make those and spaghetti. But I might have to do it tomorrow since these are still frozen. We just got back from the gym. I did shoulders today. I was doing a little bit of abs and then I had to pee really bad in our bathrooms. Our gym are still shut down. So I couldn't do any more abs. So I might just do abs later on today. But I have a large to-do list. I don't even know if you guys can see this, but a large to-do list for today. I've already gotten a couple of things done, like some of the meal prep, but I like to write every single thing down. So like I wrote my workout down. I'm gonna self-tan, so I have that written down. I have like vacuuming, wiping down the counters, laundry. So I have some like home stuff to do. I have some stuff to do for my coaching clients, and I want to get through some of my work emails too, just so that when I go in on Monday, I'm not like overwhelmed with a lot of emails from being out from the week. I checked my email like halfway through like my time off, just so that it doesn't get like too crazy for when I get back. But I'm going to shower now, put some self tanner on, and put the laundry in. I'm also going to take down the Christmas decorations today because I feel like it's time. It's the 2nd, and since I have like the time right now, since I'm not like, I don't have work or anything, and I want to get everything done today so tomorrow I can just like fully relax. So I think I'm gonna do that today too, because that's a process of like taking down the tree, putting the ornaments away, all of that stuff. So we're gonna do that today, but I'm gonna shower and then probably make some food because I'm really, really hungry. I'm taking down all the Christmas decorations and I am so out of breath from doing the tree. It also looks so empty, but all I have to do is wrap up the tree box, which is always the hardest part because the tree never fits in the same as it did when we first got it. But we are doing good. So I have the tree in the box, just need to tape it up. It literally looks so empty now because the tree was right there and we had like decorations all over. It's obviously a mess right now, but I have all the ornaments away, decorations away. I have all of that cleaned off, so I need to redecorate everything, put the old stuff that was in there away. But we're making progress. After I do this, I need to vacuum because there's like needles from the fake tree all over the place. So that's what's going on right now. Once I'm done, I'll show you guys what I do for the rest of the decorations. I feel like I might need like more stuff now because it's gonna look so empty. I also can't decide if I want to leave these like little lights up because I think that they're really cute and I just like when they're on, I just think it's so pretty. But I don't know if it looks ugly with them just like chilling there, but I might just leave them because I like them. Now Sunday. I have been vlogging so like sporadically this weekend, but I'm supposed to go to the gym today, but I can't decide if I want to or not. I'm like waiting until Kyle gets up to decide if he wants to go with me. But it's starting to snow and these snowflakes are like snowballs falling from the sky. So I had to show you guys. Hopefully you can see, you can kind of tell. Some of them are huge though that are falling. It looks fake almost. It's not even supposed to snow today. I want to try to get my day started because I don't want to get stuck in the snow. And it says that it's supposed to like rain all day, not snow all day. So I don't know. I don't know if it's actually going to snow all day, but I need to go to the grocery store. I need to get gas to go to work tomorrow so I don't have to worry about it in the morning. I need to work out, whether I do my upper body day at the gym or here, and I need to go to Target. So I want to be able to do all that before it gets too crazy with the snow. I need Kyle to wake up, and it's coming down so fast now. This is getting crazy. It's coming down so fast now, so I am going to go run my errands now, and then I think I'm just going to do my upper body day and abs at home. We got back from Kyle's parents not too long ago and I started cooking, so I'm making dinner for tonight plus meal prepping the rest of the stuff that I didn't meal prep yesterday. So I'm making my own pasta sauce, which in here I just have 1 white onion, garlic, salt, pepper, Italian seasoning. So I put all of that stuff in first with olive oil until the onions were like clear, and then I put in a little bit of tomato paste and then 2 cans of crushed tomatoes. So that's what's in there right now. And then I also just cut up a red pepper and I shaved down some carrots, so I'm gonna add that into the sauce too. And then I have water in here for the pasta. I'm gonna make spaghetti. And then once the sauce is done a little bit more, I'm gonna add in these turkey meatballs. And then over here, I have the rest of an onion because the onion was too big for the sauce. So I put that with the asparagus, salt, pepper, and garlic powder. And then I have some chicken on here, which I think I'm gonna do fajita seasoning and the rest of the peppers. And then with the rest of the carrots, I just cut them up into carrot sticks so that we have that to snack on. Update on meal prep, I have the fajita chicken, peppers, and onion. I took the onion from the asparagus and just put it on the sheet pan instead. And then I have the spaghetti boiling right now. And I added the meatballs to the sauce, so that's just cooking in there. And then we're gonna eat this. And the asparagus, you can't see it in there, but the asparagus is almost done too. This vlog has been a little all over the place. But I am going to end it here. Back to work tomorrow after a full week off. So I'm just gonna relax for the rest of the night, mentally prepare myself to go back to work. But thank you guys all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.